Say she want me fi dig it out. Fly where your Vicky draws wicked and it's one. If we fucking at the bushes, all pigeon off, you know what she said.
Lord. The man say when you carry in the bushes, all the pigeon them have to go know. Slide with your Vicky draws. One buckler skinny base when you Vicky see. One buckler go on Rytikal.
Turn round and bust a pretty pose. I go and fuck you, make you talk what you never said before. She said that
common sense.
Yo, people check out everybody. Gone clear and foreign keys. Modest thing up again right now. Yo,
Straight down to town, straight down to country.
Yeah.
Me money and me future, now that me a praise. Straight down to town, straight down to country. Me money and me future, now that me a praise. Can tell them we outside, we outside.
Alright, but don't chat. Check them out right now.
Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. And we're back with another reaction for you guys. Right now, people, we have Rytikal, Cookie Jar, official music video. Reaction by who? Reaction by who? The Reaction Boss. You see right now, see all the girls that have the Cookie Jar. Link up some man who like cookie. Well, we're gonna see some fuck up. Hey, no, we're not gonna play it today. Well, so right now, people, we try to react to Rytikal. See, another one there. We try to react to Rytikal, King in a War. And it get black. You know me? So you know, so the pause boss is in full effect. So say if you don't want to watch the video without me pausing it, say if you don't want to, if you guys want to watch the video without me pausing it, give it my reaction, which I click on the video for. Link to the original video is gonna be where. You don't know already. You don't know already. So we can see what going for Cookie Jar by Rytikal right now. We open some big batty girl. I don't know a chap set already. Cause that would there for. Like up the video. Let's get 500 likes on this video right now. You see me I say? Drop some fire emoji in the comment section if Rytikal are a bad artist. Drop some fire emoji in the comment section if you're a real person. You don't know what I say? Big up yourself. Run tune. Yeah. You know the art of them no, you know the reaction god that them call Tyrekevlogs. I'm here if you come link up, my friend. You talk about Rytikal. You talk about Rytikal. You know you hear about Tyrekevlogs? Go on.
good a deal. Skin it out. I the working in a your whole Ritty don't.
We like what we seen already. Master skin it out. I the working in your whole Ritty what?
Say she want me fi dig it out. Fly where your Vicky draws wicked and it's one. If we fucking at the bushes, all pigeon off, you know what she said.
Lord. The man say when you carry in the bushes, all the pigeon them have to go know. Slide with your Vicky draws. One buckler skinny base when you Vicky see. One buckler go on Rytikal.
Turn round and bust a pretty pose. I go and fuck you, make you talk what you never said before. She said that enough.
Man, knock her. She say, because she never talked before. Everything call body, no? King in a war. One buckler, go on the war. King in her old dog, go on.
You know she fly off of the cocky and tough it in a she mouth. Rytikal, me no do the talk.
One buckler, they burn in the kitchen. Never burn on the blood clothes kitchen. But this song burn on the video, go on. People want to think already. You know, say the past boss have been fully fake, you know. You don't know a chap already, no. Sadly, you know. Me not like it, but it have to go on. Go on!
Knock it on your pussy till your pussy talk. Knock me and knock it out like a kumina. Cocky tipping on your pussy like when me do me car.
Knock it in your pussy, they have to talk. Man, knock it like a kumina. The man dig in it like in the pin in car. Buckle it, Rytikal! Go on! People! If Rytikal go on bad right now, some fire emoji in the comment section right now. No. Don't if no, but no, maybe no later. No. Buckle it.
When she pull my pants, she say Cookie Jar. Just to look in her face, me she say she with juggle balls. Me no carry dead tacky, me no do the mark, but we stop.
We not carry dead body girls. Me not carry dead cocky girls. We don't do the mag. No, at all. She pull her pants and look on her. She say no. She knows that she sucky balls. Bumbuckly, go on, Rytikal, go on.
Pip and rapid like when the Uzi clad. No girl can request me cocky and me itch up unless she not appropriate for fuck her boo.
I'm dead. Dead. Go on, Rytikal, go on.
One legs lift up while me and force it up. She say me cocky sweet like syrup. Me no back fist, no, me no chew up the shop.
Same, sir. If you have so much pretty girl in this world, why we are go back? Why we are gonna do that? Why we are gonna chew up the bishop? How there's so much good body girl in the world? Call up one and say what go on. Call up two and say forward. Call up three and say hello. Hello. Go on.
From a one pussy gas skin now. Kyle bring a bad bitch and say I'm me who want it now.
Well, who bring a bad bitch? Me if I run back in your tune in the back Rytikal go on bad people. This is the intermission. No boy man. People, this is the intermission time. You see if you don't watch the reaction right now, like the reaction video yet, like up the Humbuckle video right now. You hear me I say, we are go for how much? 500 likes. Because see what go on then no man. Well, you never pay for like the video. I feel like you go watch the video, you don't like the video, dog. Create one Google account and like the video if you don't like the video. And subscribe to man. We're trying 30,000 subscribers before the end of the year. With a 2 grand away. 2,000 away. Run tune.
So the truth. Rytikal initially known. Me no care for big hole. Me a deliver me force. The
I said them girl that come like the one with the on Google live last night. Me said me go back Google live last night. Bumbo clap. Why? Hey, when man single life do some things, you know, dog. Single life, nice. Yo, me say me go on Google live last night. I forced me to see so much pussy here on place. Girl, and them if I go tell you what go on over there, no nothing. Don't tune in on Google live for yourself in a goal god. Reaction boss, see what go on, sir. We did there in the comment section. I go on bad. Some Brazil.
A girl where you send message in on me phone.
Yeah.
When me looking at me school, put a pussy she a show.
Sure.
You see right now, I Rytikal me a pray.
Seriously, I show me the pump pump. I used to see the pump pump from last time on Gold God Live. Like we just advertise Gold God Blood Clot Live. No dog. And them get a pussy.
And you see, anyway, babe, me, I find him and blow him off.
And me, she go find her and blow off when you shot me there. You want me to send them a location, girl? You want me to send them a hot girl? Make me know enough. Reaction boss don't play.
Rytikal?
Yeah, what? Me no do the talk. We put cocky on your pussy till your pussy talk. Me no.
Yeah, what? Me not do the talk. Me put cocky on your pussy till you do the talk. You sound just like... You might now say just like it. Them have the same flow. Them sound like them have the same flow to me. In a certain songs. Yes, he must kill it bang. What? Like a shot like torpedo.
Lick pussy jam, me no Scooby dog. Make the whole scotch when me put my third foot in her. When she pull my pants, she say,
That's a third foot. Dog! Rytikal now play people. Rytikal now play with them girls and people. You didn't even rate the song yeah. But this is the king in the water, I rate the song yeah. I rate Rytikal in a hole now. Me not gonna lie. We not gonna lie, man. We not gonna lie. A blood clot. East side. We not go on. Good old. So big up to East side. Records. Go on.
cookie jar. Just to look in her face, me say she with juggle bars. Me no carry that tacky, me no do the mark. Me no bad fist, no, me no chew up the shop. She draws wicked and it do, and if we fucking at the bushes, I'll pitch East side. Dynasty. Rytikal she want.
Type that show on. The song done basically. You know, of course, a while ago. Yo, people. I want to think about the song there. See if I rate the song and rate the reaction a while ago. I'm done the reviews, people. I'm the reaction boss. On the seat in the intro. On the seat in the title. Reaction boss. Okay? Big up on yourselves. Thanks for checking out my video. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs reaction boss. Peace out.